Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy with Squarespace, complete guide step by step clearly. To deploy your site with Squarespace, first, ensure you log into your Squarespace account using your credentials. Select the website you wish to deploy from your dashboard. Review all your website content to ensure everything is accurate and up to date. Check your settings to confirm that your site title, logo, and description are correct. If you need to make any adjustments, navigate to the appropriate sections in the left sidebar. Next, ensure that all your pages are connected to the main navigation for easy access. Go to the Design tab and select Site Styles to customize your aesthetics as needed. Once you're satisfied with the design, navigate to the Settings menu in the sidebar. Select the Domain option to connect a custom domain if you have one. You can purchase a new domain directly through Squarespace or connect an existing one from another provider. Follow the prompts to complete the domain connection process. If you don't have a custom domain, your site will be published under a Squarespace domain, which is a great option for starters. Once your domain is set up, go back to the Settings menu and select Site Availability. Choose the option to make your site public if it's Review Squarespace checklist to ensure you've covered all necessary steps for deployment. At this point, you may also want to set up Google Analytics for website tracking. To do this, select the Advanced option in the Settings menu. Find the External Services section where you can input your Google Analytics code. Once everything is configured, it's time to hit that Publish button. Look for the Publish option in the upper right corner of your dashboard. Click on it to finalize your deployment. Confirm your choice when prompted, and your site will go live. Visit your website to ensure everything is functioning properly. If you encounter any issues, refer back to your Squarespace settings for troubleshooting. Congratulations, your website is now successfully deployed with Squarespace. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.